Hey, it's me, Callando, and I'm back with Hair Porn. Yes, all week long, I'm going to be showing you a new product I'm using, and that means I'm going to be showing you today the product line. Now, what I've been doing is this. Let me give you a little background. Hair Porn used to be on always Tuesdays, and then we stopped. Why do we stop? Because I just not gonna lie, my hair grew, and it's just been very hard. With this whole situation going on now, I am trying my best to give you new products to look at and also stuff I want to try. I'm not gonna lie, I've tried some other product lines and I was not the most enthused for them. So we're gonna do something different today. I want to really try, and then if this works out, I'm gonna give you a week worth of products and how I use each one of them. So this is the first try. This right now is just a haul because I've been shopping. And one of the stores is still open at this moment. Yes. Alright. Let's see. What line am I using? Right here. This is the line. This is not the first product I'm going to tell you about. But this is the line. This is Shea Moisture Power Greens. It is the Morninga and Avocado with kale, matcha, and green algae Power Green line. That's the conditioner. Let's try my best to make this sound like close to how you use it. This is the shampoo. Also, I have this right here. This is the Power Greens Reconstructor. And the first thing I'm going to discuss actually is this. A Power Green. Let's see if the camera gets it. There you go. It's called Power Green Hair Tea Rinse. So what I'm going to be trying to do is today, as I do my hair, I'm going to explain it. Let me see if this is right. Because I'm going to explain the ingredients and everything. This is why this video has been probably the longest. It's going to be how to use. I have to shampoo. Okay, cool. Ready? Let me do this properly then. So this line is the Morninga and Avocado from Shea Moisture. As you know, I use Shea Moisture normally. My normal product line is, hold it, this right here. This is my go-to line right here. The Black Castor Oil line, Strength and Restore. That's my go-to. So today I'm trying something new. I'm going to be doing a little more of a detangler, and I'm going to be trying two products. I'm going to be doing all this not at the same time for y'all because I'm going to show you everything all week long. Because I'd rather give you a whole week of hair porn because stuck inside, you know, because it's spring break and you didn't want to go nowhere. Well, you didn't have to work. We can't talk about why I can't say that. But this is the new line right here. Let me show you one more time. And this is the key ingredients. I'm going to read that off first. And I'm also going to read off the right there. So the story for this is, that's our story. It has Morninga oil. And then it has avocado oil. And also it also has Power Green mix. Now, the line is mostly named after Power Greens. Why is it called? Because of the kale, matcha, and green algae. The key ingredients to this is first water. This is the shampoo. And from shampoo to glycerin, which is vegetable oil. And then it goes from add some alcohol. The very first ingredient is shea butter. And then the next one is avocado, is olive oil. And then the next item is the Morninga oil. So it goes Morninga oil, sweet almond oil. I see aloe oil, green tea extract. It has green tea in this, which is really good. That helps a lot of the breakage. A lot of these things will work. And let me see what this. It says healthy hair equals beautiful hair. Moisturize, detangle, and soften with this moisturizing conditioner. Wrong product. Ready? Does it say the same thing? Yeah, it does. Okay, this has the vegetable oil. This is my shampoo. You start with this first. How the line works is this. It has 4 different things. This is mainly just for shampoo. English is I'm not reading all this stuff and I'm not being professional with talking to you. What I will say is this. This has 4 products, and that's why I saw the key thing. I did go to the website and try to see if they have more and see if I can order it. And then, so this is a very strict shampoo day moment. Wash day moment. So if you are one of those people that go through potato styles, this may be the best product for you because this is going to help kind of balance everything out with all the greens. If you wash your hair every week, I would say try it too. But I would say try it once and then go back to your regular process and see if you want to switch back or see if you want to switch out with this. Because I do feel like it's really liquidy. Alright. So this is like a first, like me trying this, me just showing you all this stuff. You have to also notice this is very dark. I'm gonna open it just a little bit too. So the top salon. See. It's very like white. So yeah. This is the shampoo. My bad. Ready? It says healthy hair equals beautiful hair. That's the product tagline. Remember that. Healthy hair equals beautiful hair. Gently cleanse hair with this nurturizing sulfate-free shampoo to improve hair overall performance. Especially formulated with fair use shea butter and a power blend of Morninga, avocado, kale, matcha, and green algae for this revitalizing formula that leaves your hair nourished with 4 times more shine. Unveil your hair healthier look. Yes. When you use this for steps, use the 4-step power regimen. Tells you, woo! I was right. So it was good about all 4 products. Some of y'all probably like, would you want to just buy 2? Personally speaking, I've always been just a 2-product person when it comes to wash day, and then I started adding in a deep conditioner. With this is a 4-product process, which is great because if you do have a lot more wear and tear in your hair, you naturally will need to shampoo. Shampoo again. That's 2 for us too. And then you condition your hair. And then you want to do a deep conditioner. For a lot of y'all, that's like 10 to 15, what's up 2 hours. I'm not that person. Never have been, never will be. So, with this being this product, let me go ahead and go with the ingredients. Now, what I would say first is, the first ingredient is water. Then also, it has 3 different things, which I normally have with shampoo. Shampoo is stripping your hair. It's not going to strip it all the time. It's just, most of the stuff is trying to cleanse everything, all the gook out, all the grossness, all the blackness, all the wear and tear from pillows, of manipulations, of y'all using gel. Any product kind of overload, shampoo's for, as we all know. And then we go with, the first thing was, I see vegetable oil, avocado oil. And then it goes Morninga oil. I see that. It's Morninga seed oil. Then it has shea butter. This has kale extract, green tea. There's a lot. This also has rice. I think it has rice water in here, which I'm really interested in trying. So I would say try this first, and then this is how it goes. You try this. This is the shampoo, Power Greens Shampoo. And then is this. There we go. The Power Green Hair Tea Rinse. So, for those asking this question, like, what does that mean? This is green tea, basically. Why is it green tea? Green tea is a strong thing. Some people use black tea for your hair strands. I've done this before. I love this process, but this is like a better, probably blended, where your hair won't really feel most of the effects. Green tea is great because it will help breakage. It's going to help breakage and it's supposed to strengthen your hair. How often do you do the green tea rinse? You do the green tea rinse upwards like every wash day, and try to do it like maybe 2 months straight. If you do your wash day every week, you should see a better results. If you do wash days every 2 months, I would say for you, do it for 3 months and then try that way. Alright, this has, alright, we're going to the thing. And it says it's drench dull hair with light hair with this light hair tea rinse. With this light hair tea. Oh, the wording. For an amplified experience with use instead of a shampoo or on light wash days. Use instead of a shampoo on light wash days. So people that do like, if you do wash and goes and you have to do it middle of the week, they say maybe, use this instead. On full wash days, use second step on your hair care system regimen. So as I recommended, I would say they're trying their best to say use this when your hair looks kind of alright. My hair does look kind of alright, but we're not gonna lie, we're gonna wash this out. We're doing this today. This is the second product. This is hair tea rinse. Let's see what the rinse has in it. It has first thing aloe vera juice. Yeah, no, I love using aloe vera juice. Then it has glycerin, vegetable oil. That's vegetable. The vegetable oil, shea butter. Yeah, okay. What I would say is this. This is a very small product. It's only 8 ounces. Once again, only 8 ounces. So do not, I will repeat, do not overdo it. You want to use this on your strands? Great. But this is a rinse. Rinses for this means try your best to go for your ends only or go at the top. Top that don't go all over. If you feel like your hair needs it, get it. This is not, because this product line is not always cheap. This product line, I think, ranges from, $9 to $12 from where I bought it from. Some places will cost more. Alright, this and we're putting it down. Alright, then we do the conditioner. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna read this first because it says the first step. Okay. Yeah, this is the third step, the conditioner. When we talked about the conditioner just a little bit, this conditioner is normal. You see this has this, the shampoo has that. You know why? Because the pump is so great. This pump is a beautiful thing. Let's go along with this. It says it's a moisturizing, detangle, and soften with this nourishing conditioner to help improve hair's manageability, which is great. Once again, I'm not gonna lie, if you do this for wash day often, you should see results fast. I would say this results for this, like after this wash day, I'm gonna probably talk about it for my first time, and then you'll see, like if I do this continuously for a whole month, you should see like a full on, like I should see it, you should see it. This is the whole goal for this, because it says 7 times more shine. I don't believe in it. This says it has formulated with fair use shea butter, margarine oil for the formula. Great things. And it starts getting repetitive. I do not talk correctly. Sorry. Last but not least, this is the Reconstructer. I think this is most of the key things that a lot of people want to ask this question, like, what is this? Yes, this has 8 ounces just like this. If you're heavy-handed, I understand. This is how it works for you. This will equal at least, if you're heavy-handed, this is a maximum 3 uses for you. This for me will be probably 4 to 5. So this is like, yeah, most of this will be gone in 3 months. This will take about 2 to 3 months for me. I use it just for wash day. Alright, back to this. This is Sweet Mellow Greens. This is the Reconstructer. Now, let's go with the formula first. Our ultra-rich formula infuses hair fibers with intense moisture to help minimize breakage and strengthens weak strands, which is great. Told you this is all about kind of restructuring your hair. This is the whole thing is to make sure our hair looks great, which my hair does look great at the moment. But what I'm saying to you is this. If you feel like your hair is getting brittle or spring is happening, all this amazing is happening, we have to at this moment kind of like, especially while everyone's inside for our extended playlist of our summer vacation is springtime, our spring vacation. This should help when your hair doesn't feel the best, especially around the time where all this humidity is happening. Now it says special formalized with fair use, shea butter, blend, same thing. And it's healthy is up to 7 times. This is the 4th step with the power regimen. This is why this is called Power Green Reconstructor. Now the key ingredients in this, I want to see if it's something different, as vegetable oil, chlorine. It has coconut oil, for those that don't like using it, if you want to skip this. It has avocado oil, Morninga Extract. It has citrus. Ooh, lemon. It has lemon juice. Green tea. Yes, I actually love all of these. That's the first use. Now, this is meant for you looking at it. I'm going to smell this one. Smell it. You kind of already see it. This is the only clear one. Smells really good. Smells really clean. Alright, with the other two products, it's different because you can't see it. This is what the shampoo looks like, of course. And we kind of showed you, I showed you a little bit of it. This is what it looks like on my finger. Yeah, it's very clear. I'm going to put this little bit right there. It's very fruity. Yeah, this smells very floral. It's floral. Yes, floral. Floral. This is the shampoo. I mean, this is the conditioner right here. This is what it looks like. You see how green it is? The camera will, hold on. Let me, boom. Do you see the greenness? You may see a little yellow hue, but it's very green, which is really good. I will say this. I do like that all of this is wants you to rinse out. This is not at all, you cannot use this at all as a leave-in. For those products that be like, this is a multi-use. No. Sometimes you do not need that. And this is one of them times where you shouldn't. And this top actually is the way it is. This looks like this. Like that, right there. It smells really good. You can tell the key ingredients, always shea butter, but also this has a very floral sense. Now, if you like this video, yes. If you want to subscribe, yay. But also, if you want to see more, just keep watching all week long. I'm going to make this a special playlist because this product line is very new. And I do like the fact that I may be the first person that's viewing this. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't know them other people. I'm joking. And if you really like this, if you really want to see Ayers have it, I'm going to give Ayers, Ayers, yes, Ayers. He's going to have his own wash day with this whole product line. I'm going to try my best to make sure it's very minimalized. Because like I said, I want to use this product all month long to see the difference. Ayers doesn't need this as much as, you know, my hair. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.